Once the whole circuit architecture and all the components have been entered, you get the calculation results in the HySelect interface main area. In this section, we will learn more about the Hydronic Calculation output, how we should read the results and navigate through the project. We'll continue with editing the results. Click on the Hydronic Calculation Output tab at the bottom of the screen to open the log of the calculation process. This log lists errors, warnings, and information returned by the calculation algorithm. Double-click on an error line to display the corresponding circuit in the upper part of the window. Click on the Clear button at any time to empty this log. The first tab displays distribution. The table displays information about the distribution between different circuits, such as age, available, flows, distribution pipe sizes, circuit types. The second tab, Circuits, displays the components selected by the HySelect calculation. It displays a table with all the valves and components selected by the calculation, as well as the respective operative conditions and settings. If two-way or three-way injection circuits are used in your plant, a third tab, Unit-Sec site, so Unit-Secondary site, displays. Some more information about the way HySelect will display certain items. Blue text, this is the index circuit, so the least favorite circuit. Bold text indicates locked settings. Editable fields are indicated with a box with drop-down. This is the indication of a column with editable field. Click here to go up the parent circuit or here to go down and display the circuit details. Click to expand the corresponding group. Click to collapse the corresponding group. Or to completely expand all groups, click here. Same to collapse them again. You are able to edit some data in the circuit. The whole circuit will then be automatically recalculated in real time. Right-click on a line to open the menu. Here you now have different options. Add circuit, edit. To edit the circuit in the circuit wizard window, rename, delete, cut, copy and paste, and edit accessories. Double-clicking is the same as right-click edit, but you'll notice that this only works in the circuit tab. Drag, copy. Click on the cell you want to copy. The cursor changes into an open hand. Click on the cell again and do not release the mouse button. The cursor changes to a closed hand. Move the cursor down over the cell you want to replace and release. Or multiple cells you want to replace and release. All cells are now replaced with the selected value and locked by default.